Some mornings, the day starts on the water before anyone else is up. The Sunseeker 100 yacht is built for exactly that kind of morning. Built in Poole, England, the flagship of Sunseeker's yacht range at 98 feet, twin shafts underneath, so what you feel at speed is smooth, not just fast. 30 knots on top with plenty in reserve for a long run. Cruise easy at 12 knots, and the range stretches past 1,300 nautical miles. Wherever the day is headed, you get there without watching the fuel gauge. Foredeck opens into 2 separate lounging areas, plus a sunpad big enough for the whole group. Walk the side decks either way, no squeezing past anyone. Flybridge runs the full width of the boat, open sky the whole way forward. Main deck saloon floors itself in glass, so the water never really leaves your sight line. Breakfast on deck, lunch at anchor, sundowners up top. The layout keeps you outside as long as you want to be. Below, 5 staterooms sleep 12, with room for 5 crew to run the boat properly. But the interior is base camp here, not the destination. This isn't a boat you admire from the dock. It's a boat you're already living on, from the first light to the last one. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yacht. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.